Yeah, no. But I'm not ready for start the video yet.
Not only look good on the ground, keep by the way I'm at them man. I will own money when I touch on. Yeah, kingdom man. Just breathe over clean. Them can't keep up to speed. I will never have to compete from our nails.
YouTube, you don't know Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. Guys, it's been a long time since I made a vlog, since I made a video, since I've been here on YouTube. I haven't been in the mood, I haven't been in the groove. I don't want to say I've been busy, but yes, somewhat. But guys, before I get further into this video, make sure you click the subscribe button if you have not already. Make sure you like this video and stay tuned. So guys, this is just a little update as to what I've been doing. I'm still in Jamaica. Yes, it is June 24th, 2021, and I'm still in Jamaica. If you guys notice, my background looks different. Guys, your girl got a job. So I've been working at a hardware because honestly guys, I told you guys I've been so bored since I've been down here. I haven't been doing anything, so I'm like, why not? I should just work, make a little bit of money, because true, me not make no money like good girl need money. So we get a job at a warehouse, not a warehouse, a hardware. And yeah, so I'll show you guys a little tour of where I work, and I'll give you guys an idea of what I basically do in the day. Hey Chris. Guys, this is the workshop. Well, not workshop, but this is where we have our stuff. So we have like some tin sets, cement and stuff would be here. You know, we have our little ply. We have some pipings for like plumbing and stuff. So we have like our water pipes, our electrical conduits, which is also known as electrical pipes. Yeah, guys. We're gonna take them to the workshop. So you're gonna bring them, Chris?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's go to the
Alright. This is the workshop where they build furniture and stuff. It's a little bit messy, but it's because they're creating cupboards and stuff for a pharmacy. Right, Chris?
Yes, Flash.
Alright.
Yes,
Yes, guys. So I'm gonna show you inside of the hardware now. So when you enter, this is what you see, guys. It's my auntie. That's where I'm always sitting. You see my little drinks right there, so. And yeah, guys, if you guys are thirsty, you can get some juice and such. And here is the price list. A lot of people, like truck drivers, they come in here to get their drinks and such. We have toilets for sale. We have speakers. Actually, guys, make sure you sanitize your hands when you come in. We have all sorts of wires. We have chicken mesh. We have diamond wires. We have barbed wire. Yes. Jabari, you're showing them? You're gonna show them? He's taking you guys on the tour. It's another door. So Jabari is saying we have the ladders. Guys, I brought my nephew. Watch out, I'm a run. I brought my nephew with me today. You guys know Jaden from my other vlogs, yeah. So guys, we have some like nails. We have nails and screws and just to weigh like our nails and such. So enough time people come and they order stuff like wire nails and concrete screw, and I put them on here. Like if they say they want 1 pound, I just look at the scale and they show me the 1 pound. And this is the back, the exclusive, guys. This is where we are at. This is where we stay. Don't mind those stuff. My cousin loves to draw. You know, we got our tills, we got the paint section. We have different sections. We have electrical stuff, plumbing stuff, stuff for doors, stuff for cement. You know, just simple stuff, guys. So I'm gonna take you guys down each aisle. slow day. There's not much to do. Let me go inside before I get copyrighted. Yeah, there's not much to do. Every time I was cashing somebody, like, we just forget to turn on the camera. But yeah, we're gonna go check on what Chris is doing right now. Well, yeah, they'll clean this something.
Yeah.
Clean off the board
Yeah.
so it can connect and look nice.
Yeah, make it look sexy and nice.
Okay, you guys see how it's nice and clean?
Yeah.
And what is that liquid in there? Solitex?
Thinner.
Thinner? Yeah, guys. There's the burden down there, so. You guys probably can't see me that great because it's dark. It was raining, or it's still kind of raining, so the place gets dark. But right now I'm on the computer, so the stock came, so I'm just updating the stock. So I'm just updating the stock and such for the stuff that just came. Get my load off here. Let's see. So look. Watch out. They can't just lift off the steel, so they have to do it so. This is 3 tons of steel. The wire, watch your wire. Watch your wire, watch your wire, watch your wire. Ay. Jesus Christ. Bomba. Watch out. A Spider-Man. Spider-Man for real, man. I tell you. Right, Chris?
Collecting some good lashy, collecting some steel.
Yes. May I show them how them collect steel, you know?
So you know your business getting extra large lashy. The mastermind.
What are you doing, Chris?
What is the opposite of windward?
Mesh lashy.
Rolling up the mesh for the customer.
Shickaa Chung, what is the opposite of windward?
Yes. The mesh. Guys, this is what we call a chicken mesh.
What is it, please?
Going down, counting down.
Now it's the end of the day, so I'm doing some end of the day checking and stuff like that. Thank you. I'm doing some ending of the day stuff, and then my day is basically done. It's 4:54, you know. So yeah, guys.